Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ruby Patchouli, and on this channel we talk about curls and self-love. If you haven't yet, please hit that subscribe button if you like this type of content. So what do we have in store today? Today is another quick low maintenance curly hair routine because we are busy girls. We don't have time to spend an hour on doing our hair. We have to do this really quick, no brush styling, using our fingers, using a pick, where we are going to be using one styling product and a hairspray. I found the holy grail to make your curls last for at least 4 days. This is it. Curlsmith Flawless Finish Curl Enhancing Hairspray. You guys, I have never been a fan of hairspray my entire life, but your girl has been struggling to keep her curly hair routine intact. This has been a game changer. I used it once already. This is going to be my second time using it, and I'm excited because I'm going to be styling my hair the way that I like to style my hair, which is a low maintenance finger hair routine that gives you maximum volume. I'm all about the volume. I don't mind a little frizz here and there either. I accept frizz. I've learned to just embrace the frizz. Embrace the frizz. So let's get started. I already have my leave-in conditioner, and I also already applied my split end mender that I've been using by Eva New York City. Now let's just go right in and apply our mousse. Today I'm torn between what mousse to use. This is a Dippity Doo Girls with Curls mousse. It's the curl boosting mousse. This is the Botanica Beauty Curl Enhancer mousse. Now, the main difference, this one has silicone, this one does not. I'm gonna do this on one side and then do this on the other side. Let's split our hair down the middle and apply our products. Let me wet this hair a little bit more, or you know what? Actually, no. We're just gonna style it like this. We're gonna style on damp hair today. All right, let's do this. So let's get the Dippity Doo curls, the mousse. We're gonna do this much. You know what? No, we're gonna do 3 pumps, this much. Let's apply this. Okay, so now that we have our product in, we are going to start styling. We're gonna use this so that we can, the style that we want our hair to dry in. With your pick, let's just start pretty much like you're combing your hair and you're separating your curls as well. Okay, so you see how we have some flatness here. That's only because I'm using 2 different products, but now we are going to blend everything. So now we are going to add movement into our hair, and the way that we do this is by passing our pick various different ways, right? So we are going to turn our head to the left, pass our pick, turn our head to the right, pass our pick, you turn our head over, pass our pick, and that is how we are going to be creating movement in our hair routine today. Now we are going to diffuse. The way that I'm going to diffuse today is going to be the hover technique. I'm going to make sure to constantly move my hair around so my hair doesn't dry in one specific way. We are trying to defy gravity here, ladies and gentlemen, so we need to fight against gravity. Okay, so what I can already tell off the bat is I got more shrinkage on the Botanica Beauty side. This is the side that has the silicones, has silicone in the product. I got a bit more retention here on this side than I did on this side. From what I'm seeing right now, I think I prefer the dippity-do side. Let's finish this hair routine. Now, you can pick right now to get some more definition. Let's see what we can get if we pick. I don't know if that gave us more definition. I can't really tell. I will say that my bangs, if you notice, they are shorter today. I think that's because I scrunched my bangs with the diffuser, so that caused them to shrink a bit more. We're now going to use the hairspray. You want to use this on dry hair, and you want to make sure that your hair looks the way that you want it to look, your desired look, before you apply your hairspray. Now let's do this. So now we're done. It was a very quick and easy routine. Try this routine out. Let me know how it works for you, if your hair responded well to this. If you have any questions, leave your questions down below. As always, I'll link the products that I use in the description box if you are interested in purchasing them. You can purchase this at Ulta. You can purchase this at other places, but I recommend Ulta because, you know, Ulta has coupons. The Botanica Beauty, you can find this at, I think I got this at Walmart. And then the Dippity Doo Girls with Curls Mousse, you can find this at TJ Maxx, Marshalls. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know it was a pretty quick one, but please bear with me because there's a lot of things going on this month. My birthday's in 2 days. I'm going to Sedona, and then at the end of the month, I'm going to New York. But I hope that everyone enjoyed this video. As always, I make these videos to help whoever is on their natural hair journey, their natural curl journey. If you haven't yet, please click the notification bell so you can be notified every time I release a video. Hit the subscribe button. As always, I post a video every single week. I'll see you guys next time, curl friends. Remember, your curls are unique, they're beautiful, you are rare. Only about 11, I think, to 17% of the population has curly hair, so you are very unique. Stay curly. See you guys next week. Bye.